Hello all. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to format your page numbering, how to have different numbering formats in the same document. So this is actually useful in arranging your thesis and dissertations. Instead of having your preliminary pages in a different document and having your main write-up in another document, you can combine all in one and format as though you are dealing with two documents. You will notice that a numbering is continuous from preliminary to your introduction, your references, and all of that. That means if your preliminary pages stops at page 11, your chapter 1 continues at page 12, which is not what you actually want. So in actual sense, what you want is for the preliminary pages to have separate numbering and formatting, and also to have their own, which doesn't continue into the body of the work. Now, to achieve that, you click on the space that separates the two sections. That means the space between the last part of your preliminary pages and then the beginning of your chapter 1. So when you click on that space, you're going to select layout and then click on breaks. Then under breaks, you select next page. So what next page is going to do for you is that it's going to allow you to start the new section on the next page. Now this is going to be exclusive from the previous section. That is, it's going to be as though you are dealing with a new document. So numbering is going to be discontinued, and then it's going to start its own afresh from page 1. Now, after doing that, you can click on the footer section, double click on the footer part of any of the two sections, and then apply the formatting that you want. Like for the preliminary pages, you click on the footer, you go to your insert page number, then you click on format page number, and then you select Roman numerals. And then for the main write-up, you're going to do the same thing and then select normal numbering. So I hope this helps. You can share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe.